When you've gotten what you want, maybe I should start over. Stuck into one open letter again. You don't know what you want. I gotta remove this and clear up all this to paint the ceiling. We have the main stuff off. Let's take off the rest of the shower. Gosh, alright. Pull this out. Don't need that. Don't want that. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Miguel, can you bring me a knife? Or can I use this? We shall see. It's harder than I anticipated. I'm getting there. The other side. Got it. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna show you. Look how gross that is. Huh. We've only been here a year and it's already like that. Like, you can't even clean that without taking it off. It's so gross. Alright. Now I just gotta take. Oh, so gross. Take these off. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna speed it up. It's not coming out, huh? Ah! So, because of the water buildup, the screws are hard to take out. That's gross. Huh? Got it. Yes. Ah. Ew, it's gross. Oh my god. You did the same thing I did. I think you're just shoving it in there more now.
Nope.
Oh, you broke my. Oh, great. Okay, don't break that one. Let me go bring the other one, yeah? The ones from the garage.
Go bring the power tool. Okay, you go bring the powder. So far, I've removed the door, this thing, the top, and now we're working on taking off the sides, the bottom, and this side. Right? Got it? Oh my god, it is too hard. You put on full speed or what? Oh, there you go. Cool beans. Okay, there's another. Oh no, I already took these out. Now I just gotta loosen it. I got it. Here. Hi, Shalina. You're not doing the fast one? Oh, well, I'll speed it up on the other one. Oh, it's struggling. Leave it, babe.
What's this thing? This is my surprise? This is my surprise? There's a picture in here?
This?
Mom, this is my surprise!
Okay.
Yay! Thank you,
And
Mommy!
put it at the crease.
Mommy!
And then go all the way down. Knife would have been better, but you know. Happy didn't give it to me.
Mommy, this is the
juicy. Okay. Alright, so this was part 1 of removing the disgusting modern shower. So stay tuned for step 2.